Okay, so in this video it's just gonna be brief to understand how the market works. So previously we were talking about the trends I mean, and this time we want to go a little bit deeper with how they move. So when it comes to trends, there are actually two types. There is an uptrend and a downtrend, and then there's also another part called the ranging part. So what an uptrend is where price is actually moving like from down it's going up, 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 up. That's an uptrend, right? Price is constantly looking to go higher, right? That's an uptrend. And a downtrend eventually is like what we have here, where price is like trying to go down, up, and but overall it is going down, right? So these are the two types. Now there's one where the market isn't going anywhere, it's just like that, right? It's just within this. So when it comes to trading, before you figure out, okay, should I buy or sell, um, you need to know that there are levels of support and resistance. And what I mean by resistance is where price, like this is the level of resistance, right? And then we have a level of support. So if price is here and goes to this zone, there is a high chance, or rather a high probability, that price would actually bounce back heading for the support. And alternatively, there is a high chance that probably the price might reject as well, heading for the resistance, right? So as a trader, you need to seek for a buy when you're on the support zone going up, and if price is on the upside, you're seeking for a sell, right? So in this case, how could we identify where to buy or where to sell? Or like before we do anything, would you want to buy or sell? Or like what trade, the trade I have right now, I'm on a sell trade, right? I'm on a sell trade, and obviously it's in a rows. But then what made me take this position? Or like why did I sell it? Why didn't I buy it? Like it's on the resistance zone. I mean, uh, it's like on the supply zone, right? On the support, so I should be seeking for a way to buy it, right? But then I am selling it. Why am I doing so? So here's this. Here's one secret you can actually use to make money on trading. One of them is the chart patterns. Whenever we are on a downtrend, price will be moving in this term, up, down, up, down. But if you notice something, you find that the turning points tend to link up, right? The turning points tend to link up. Like here, it rejected, and then it managed to win back, and then it dropped all the way down. But later, after trying to go back, the same point where it rejected previously when it was above has become like the roof, right? And now it's heading for another zone. After breaking that zone, it's coming back again. The same zone where it failed to break through, has now become like the resistance, and now it's heading for another low, right? And then in this case, to understand where price is going, just look at the overall direction on a 1 hour time frame. Zoom in the whole chart and look at which direction. If the market seems to be like in this way, like pointing to the downside, or rather slanting a little bit, you should be seeking for sell opportunities. Just sell and hold it for a little bit of time, and then obviously after some time you find profit. And then the opposite could be true. The opposite could be true. If price is moving up like that, same zones, something, okay, could not break, rejected, managed to break. This point where it failed to break previously at first becomes support. It breaks the resistance again, and the previous resistance becomes support, and then it keeps on going like that. But then there's this thing where price is actually just going up, right? So in this case, you'll be seeking for a way to buy the market for profit. And then there's one thing as well here where the market is just ranging like that. In this case, we don't do anything. If you open a chart, you zoom in, and then you just find the market is like this, don't trade it. Just walk away from it. Like, don't do anything. Protect your money. It's better not to trade. So why have I taken a sell trade here? The market overall is going down, right? That's the reason why I took a trade here, and I'm going down for that sell. So it's not only on USD. You can check out many other charts. What you can do, like for instance, we got GBP USD. If I open up the chart, okay, here is an example. You see, right? The market we're moving all the way down. But now guess what's happening? There is a higher probability that the market might come for this zone, so you'll be looking for a sell. But eventually the market is as well strapped in something like this. But if you go down on a 50 minutes time frame, you find that price is kind of like, you know, it's trying to make those up and down, and obviously some traders can make money out of it, but make sure you minimize your risk and know what you're doing before you can actually take any trade. Let's check out USD Swiss franc. Is it gonna open? Okay, something here as well. You can see that the overall of the market's like they're going down, right? So you'll be seeking for a sell, you take a sell, you probably target like 20 pips minimum and just hold it. Later you find that you actually hit take profit. So that's it for now. Hope you've understood. There are actually three types of chart patterns, and that is basically an uptrend and a downtrend and ranging markets. So I hope you haven't been listening, but just in case you have, keep it to yourself.